Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to fix Microsoft error code 0x87E10BD0 on your Windows system, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the resolutions. First of all, make sure that you're logged into the system using your Microsoft account. If not done already, please do the same. The next solution would be to recreate the AU install agent folder. Copy the path mentioned here. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Paste this path here and hit enter. This will open the Windows folder. Then copy this name AU install agent and return to this folder. Check if such a folder already exists. It does in my system. If not, right click in the open space, select new folder and create an empty folder with the same name. The next solution would be to reset the Microsoft Store. All you need to do is copy this command wsreset.exe, press the Windows key and the R button together, paste this command here and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store. Lastly, you can consider running your system in the clean boot state to isolate the cause. Press the Windows key and the R button together. In the run window, type the command msconfig and hit enter. This will open the system configuration window. In the system configuration window, go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, please click on disable all. Select apply and finally click on OK. Now click on restart. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.